Hi, this is Colton from WhiplashPC.com. Today we have the Cooler Master GX750. It's a 750 watt power supply. It has 80 plus technology. It's got a 5-year warranty on it, and it supports up to 60 amps on the 12 volt rail, which is pretty dang good. Up here, I'll try to get it closer so you can see. It includes a 24 pin connection, a 20 plus a 4 pin I should say. That means if you have a 20 pin motherboard, you can take the 4 pins off. Those are completely optional. It has 2 4 pins for the CPU, which equal 8. It has PCI Express connection, so it has 6 plus 2 pins. So if you need an 8 pin connection for your PCI Express video card, it has 4 of those, it says. SATA connectors, it supports up to 9 of those. It has peripheral connections up to 3, and 1 floppy connection. It says it's high efficiency, it supports SATA, it's very silent is what it says. It has an intelligent fan controller, so it should be silent, and it has full protection. On the back here, it shows us the wattage and support. Let me try to see if we can zoom up on that. Okay, as you can see, the 12 volt rail is supporting up to 60 amps. Everything else looks pretty good also. The model is RS750 ACAA. The type is a 12 volt version 231 it says. 700 watts. It supports a maximum capacity output of 900 watts total. So even though it's listed as a 750, if you had everything hooked up right, it could push out 900 watts maximum. Try to get this zoomed out here for you. On the side, it doesn't really say anything else about it. I showed you everything like that. We're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Inside here we have a Cooler Master limited warranty card. On the back it'll just basically tell you what you can do, whatnot. Nothing really important because this thing should run forever. I've never had a bad Cooler Master yet, and I don't plan to. On the back up here you can kind of see it just goes through and gives you everything, details about everything voltage wise and stuff like that. Silica gel, random power cord. It's not really thick, it's not really light, but it's only a 750 watts, so it should do the trick. This is not a modular power supply, so if you're looking for something modular, you probably should look elsewhere, because this is not a modular power supply. It's going to have the rat's nest of wires. I'm not saying it's not a good power supply, it's probably going to be a great power supply. The only problem is, if you're looking for modular and you need a case to hide wires for a window case, it's probably not something you're going to look for. It says GX750 watt, it's all in really cool blue. It's actually really blue. I don't know if the camera will show it like that. But it's not really light blue, it's more of a dark blue. It kind of looks aqua on the camera right now. It has the power on off switch. Right here, if you wanted to pause and look at the voltages, you can go ahead and hit pause on the video right now. This is a 750 watt power supply, 60 amps on the 12 volt rail as I said before. Anything that you need to know power wise will be listed here. As for the connections, as I stated earlier, we have the 20 plus 4 pin connection, peripherals, PCI Express, 8 pins, SATA connections. That's about it for the power supply. I'm going to post on how it runs in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to write on the comment section and I'll definitely respond to you. This is the GX750 watt by Cooler Master, followed by a 5-year warranty. It should be pretty solid. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for viewing this video. If you liked it, I'd appreciate it if you thumbs up and subscribed. Thanks for viewing.